This cat arrives at our clinic for a full checkup to ensure its overall health and well-being. During the examination, we carefully check its temperature, mouth, teeth, ears, and eyes. The general condition appears stable, but we notice that the ears need cleaning to remove built-up wax and prevent any possible infections. As part of its preventive care, we also administer deworming medication and a flea treatment to keep it healthy and protected. The cat stays calm and cooperative throughout the process, and after the cleaning and treatment, it looks more comfortable and relaxed, feeling safe and cared for with love from the Sulala team.